What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining me for another video. I want to talk about Tesla quick because Tesla just got entered into the S&P 500. I made a couple videos about that yesterday, but things are evolving, things are changing. So Tesla ran up like crazy. I want to pull up the chart here for you quick. Tesla, so this was yesterday, and you know, over the last week or so, Tesla's just moseying along, trading sideways, and then bam, what happened? So they announced after hours that Tesla was finally going to be added to the S&P 500, and then the stock shut up within a matter of an hour, half an hour or so, 14%. Absolutely crazy. So it was amazing. I was really excited. This is a great thing for Tesla long term. But as we're going to talk about here, not such a great thing for some of the stocks in the S&P 500 potentially. So I want to talk about that. But so what happened today? Okay, Tesla dropped from those highs. They still traded up 8% overall today, including after hours trading. But they did drop down to about 440. Right now, after hours, it looks like they're trading at 439.55. So what this tells me here is there was some massive profit taking. If you look at these four candles here, these four volume candles, this tells you that there was a bunch of sales that happened. People took a bunch of profit when it ran up to 460. So, but then people came in and they bought. A few people sold after it ran up again, and then we bought again. So this, I think, is a good thing. I think this is a healthy thing for Tesla in the short term. If it would have traded up like crazy today, I think that's exactly what the S&P didn't want with Tesla in the first place. They didn't want a company that was crazy volatile, that would drop the whole index by a couple percentage points in a day. That's not what the S&P wants, okay? But think about this, right? So Tesla can swing sometimes 14 to 20% in a day. And when, this stock is probably going to make up 8 to 12%, I don't think we know yet, right, of the S&P, man, that could really tank the S&P and cause the market to react. So I think that's exactly what the S&P doesn't want, okay? So I think they were waiting for there to be a little less volatility in Tesla. I think they waited long enough. I think this is a perfect time for Tesla to be added. So I'm glad. I think this is healthy movement in Tesla. But let's jump over to this Fortune.com article. I think it's a great article. It's titled that Tesla will finally be added to the S&P 500, officially becoming a blue chip stock. If you watch yesterday's video, I mentioned that I didn't know where I found it, but I mentioned that Tesla may not be added to the S&P 500 in one go. That it may happen over the course of a couple different different editions, okay? And right here, this part of the article is just fantastic. Due to the large size of the addition, S&P Dow Jones Indices is seeking feedback through a consultation to the investment community to determine if Tesla should be added all at once on the rebalance effective date or in two separate tranches ending on the rebalance effective date. Okay, so really all that means is the S&P doesn't know how to add Tesla to the index. Like, that's it, right? There's going to be some rebalancing that happens, and that doesn't bode well for some of the bigger companies in the index, okay? Think of Apple. I think Apple takes up about 11% of the index right now. That's a lot. Apple will not be at 11% after Tesla gets added. Even if it drops by 1% in the index, that's a lot of money that's coming out of Apple, of the Apple stock. So I want you guys to comment down in the comments below. Who do you think Tesla is going to take over? What spot is Tesla going to take over in the index, or multiple spots? Tesla could be added, and then a few companies could be taken out of the index. I don't know. But also down in the comments, let me know what you think about which stocks are going to be hit the hardest by this. This news that this rebalancing is happening, this is massive rebalancing. This could really affect Apple and some of the other big companies in the index. Also, another thing I want you guys to think of is, I know that Tesla is a lot of people's favorite stock. It's a company that we all look to as, you know, a company that's really changing the world and on the forefront of EV technology and energy and that. So I don't think Tesla will go down after entering the S&P, but that has happened to some companies in the past, namely Teledyne and Tyler Technologies, where they dropped 3% and 9% respectively after being included in the S&P 500. Most companies do go up after their inclusion in the S&P 500, and I anticipate that that will be the case with Tesla. But let me know down in the comments, do you think Tesla is going to go up after getting into the S&P, or may they go down? I don't know, right? I think Tesla will go up. I think Tesla is going to reach all-time highs by the end of the year. I'm thinking, you know, 530, 550, something like that. So that's where I'm at Tesla. Let's have a dialogue down in the comments, though. I'm looking forward to it, seriously. Thank you. Thank you so much for watching all my videos. Thank you guys for commenting, good, bad, or otherwise. I uploaded an Afria video, and I absolutely love this comment. It's absolutely ridiculous. I laughed so hard when I read this comment. So I want to tell you that these types of comments do not hurt my feelings. So this guy said, Zach says, LMAO, this dude really thought the most obvious smoke alarm ever was a truck backing up. I'm glad you've never had a house fire. But anyone older than that, about 8, should know that sounds means a potential fire. So in the Afria video, I apologize for a truck backing up. I used to manage a warehouse. When I was 17, I became a manager at Kmart. One of the 4 main managers at my local Kmart. And I managed the entire warehouse. I know what a truck backing up sounds like. So I said, are you saying there's a fire in a truck or there was a fire truck? I'm confused. So I love messing with people that put comments in like this. So Zach, keep it coming, buddy. And it looks like you did respond. He says the beeping was from a smoke alarm, which tend to go off when there is a fire. I don't think he got that I was messing with him. But that's cool. I love the dialogue. I love the community that we've created already on this tiny channel. And I say tiny because we have nowhere near the subscriber base that some of these big channels have. But we have an amazing community already down in the comments. And I continue to be impressed by you guys and excited to have a dialogue with you guys every single day. And I hope that it keeps going on. So thank you for now over 1,700 subscribers. You guys are absolutely amazing. Remember though, we're doing a giveaway once we get to 10,000 subscribers. 4 of you could win $500 if we get there by the end of the year. So thank you. Thank you so much for joining me again. I really appreciate it. As always, if you didn't already do it, click that beautiful red subscribe button down below, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks.